Now I'm going to try and work out the gradient of this part of the graph between 25 and 40 seconds. So I'm going to draw in a triangle next to the bit of graph that I'm trying to find the gradient for. And then I'm going to try and find the change in the vertical. And I'm going to do the final value in the vertical, which is 0, minus the starting value in the vertical, which was 250. And that would give me minus 250. And then I need to do the final value in the horizontal, which is 40, minus the starting value in the horizontal, which is 25. And that's going to give me 15. And now I can do my minus 250 divided by the 15. And I can then get my calculator in, and I'm going to do minus 250 divided by 15 and press equals. And that gives me minus 50 over 3. And I don't want it as a fraction, because in science we always want it as a decimal. So I'm going to press this button, S to D. And that says minus 16.6 with a little recurring dot. And we don't want that either. So I'm going to press S to D again, which gives it me as a recurring decimal. And I'm going to round that to 16.7, because the first digit I'm discarding, this one, is bigger than 5. So that will give me minus 16.7. And to get the units, I'm going to look at meters on the vertical divided by seconds on the horizontal, which gives me minus 16.7 meters per second. And the meaning of the minus sign here is that the displacement is decreasing, which means the thing that it's for, the cyclist, must be going back towards the start. So the minus sign is showing the direction of the velocity that we've worked out.